In today's video, we will be giving a short product overview of the EasyClaw Sling and also showing how it is installed on standard 3-in-1 wrapped hoses or hydraulic lines. The EasyClaw Sling is made of a high-strength nylon webbing material. The nylon material is rated at 6,000 psi and is UV resistant, which extends the useful life of the product even in the harshest environments. Every sling comes with a marine-grade 316 stainless steel carabiner. It will connect easily to any of the EasyClaw tensioner systems. When the product arrives, the carabiner will be connected through the brass grommet on the EasyClaw Sling. When you are ready to install your hoses on the tensioner system, first remove the carabiner and connect it to the eyelet below the copper crimp on the EasyClaw tensioner system as shown. Next, you will place the sling around the back side of the hoses and put the end with the brass grommet through the loop, just like a slip knot would be tied. Then, pull the sling tight to expose the grommet. Lastly, hang the sling from the carabiner as shown. The EasyClaw Sling is also easily adjustable. If you determine the hanging location of your hoses needs to be adjusted, simply pick up your hoses, loosen the slip knot, and slide the sling to the appropriate spot. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out at the number below or visit our website at www.easyclaw.com.